When it comes to enhancing the aesthetics, security, and functionality of your home, installing a new door is a great choice. Whether you're upgrading the front door, replacing an interior door, or adding a sliding patio door, the installation process can seem daunting. However, understanding what to expect can help you prepare and ensure a smooth experience. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect during a door installation in Bethesda. Initial consultation and measurement. The process usually begins with a consultation. During this phase, a door installation expert will visit your home to discuss your preferences and needs. Whether you're interested in an elegant wooden front door, a modern glass entryway, or a practical storm door, your installer will offer recommendations tailored to your home's style and security requirements. Once your preferences are clear, the installer will take precise measurements of your door frame. This is crucial because even a slight mismatch between the door and frame can cause issues during installation. Accurate measurements ensure that your new door will fit perfectly, providing better insulation and security. It's important to be present during this visit to address any questions or concerns you might have. Choosing the right door. After measurements, it's time to select your door. If you haven't already made a decision, the installer may present you with several options based on your home's style, location of the door, and personal preferences. Popular choices include wood, fiberglass, and steel doors, each offering different advantages. Wooden doors are aesthetically pleasing and durable, while fiberglass doors can mimic wood and offer excellent energy efficiency. Steel doors are highly secure and resistant to weather conditions. The installer may also discuss additional features like hardware, locks, weather stripping, and finishes. Customization options may be available, such as decorative glass panels, side lights, and different paint colors or stains. Preparation of the installation area. On the day of installation, the crew will arrive at your home with the necessary tools, equipment, and the door itself. Before work begins, they will protect your home's interior by laying down drop cloths or plastic sheets to shield floors and furniture from debris. If you're replacing an old door, the crew will start by removing the existing door, frame, and hardware. This can involve unscrewing hinges, removing trim, and sometimes even cutting away the frame to make room for the new door. The process may generate dust and debris, so it's helpful to clear the area of any valuable or fragile items. Door installation. With the area prepped, the installation of your new door begins. The installation team will carefully place the new door into the frame, ensuring it fits snugly and aligns correctly. This step is critical because a well-installed door enhances both security and energy efficiency. Depending on the type of door, the team may also install any additional features like locks, handles, or weather stripping. The installer will then check for proper operation, ensuring the door opens and closes smoothly and is properly sealed to keep out drafts. Finishing touches. Once the door is installed, the crew will take care of any finishing touches. This can involve installing trim around the door frame, painting or staining the door, or making any necessary adjustments to ensure the door fits perfectly. If any old paint or trim needs to be removed, the crew will handle that as well, leaving the area clean and tidy. They will also perform a final inspection to ensure everything is in perfect working order. If there are any issues, the team will make adjustments before they finish the job. Post-installation. Clean up. A professional door installation crew will leave your home clean and free of any debris. They'll remove all packaging, old door materials, and other waste, ensuring that you're left with a pristine installation space. The last thing you want after a home improvement project is to deal with the cleanup, and a reputable team will take care of this for you. Final walkthrough. After the installation is complete, the installer will walk you through the final product. This is the perfect time to ask any questions you might have about the operation or maintenance of your new door. The installer will explain how to properly care for your door, including any maintenance steps needed to keep it functioning optimally. Conclusion. Door installation in Bethesda is a straightforward process when you know what to expect. From initial consultations and precise measurements to the final cleanup and walkthrough, a professional team will ensure your new door is installed properly and efficiently. With the right preparation, you can enjoy the enhanced security, beauty, and energy efficiency that comes with a new door for your home.